Good day, McVeigh, and happy Tuesday. Good morning, boys and girls. All right, so our Get Smart projects for today are actually in honor of our math day yesterday. And the first one is from Elise, from Isa in room 124, who is working on addition. What I love about what Isa did is uh, the way that she organized her work. Take a look. She used color coded paper and looks almost like graph paper, but they're not a continuous graph, they're individual, so that she kept her place value aligned. That means in the proper place. So her ones are under or on top of, depending on which number, they are in a straight line. They are aligned with each other. And her tens are also aligned. She didn't get confused because her work was very neat and precise, which means super duper accurate. Nice work, Isa. And then we have Odalis in 124, who's also working on math. Lots of different colors. This one is super bright. Now, this is graph paper. Here you can see the whole page has a grid. A grid is those little boxes. And so she did multiplication, greater than and less than, and I have to say they're all accurate. That means they're all correct. Multiplication, she made columns and a color code. Speaking of color code, I can't wait for tie-dye day today. Now, moving on to our, which I can't believe, our Wordle. We had a whole class, two whole classes, and and two people from room 103 who figured it out already, the Wordle and mystery number. So what we learned is that these three letters, I should say, are not the most common, but the second most common vowel. All right. I also said there are in all of this none of the most common vowel in any of the words. There are none of those letters. Okay, here we go. These two letters can be either a vowel or a consonant. Man, I'm dropping everything today. All right. Now, we know that these three digits all together make an odd number. We know that this one's a homonym. And this, well, I'll get to that in a second. This one is the smallest homonym. Has to be a 2, because 2 is smaller than 4. Okay, these two numbers are the same, and they are a vowel, consonant E, silent E, odd number. So that should eliminate one of the odd numbers. All right, now moving on. We know that this number in all is odd. This digit, odd, odd, even, odd. Two clues today. Number one, we figured out that this one has to be a 1 because the only odd number that's a homonym is 1. All right. This number, you ready? Is even, and it's not a homonym. Even and not a homonym. Okay. This number is odd, not a homonym, with consecutive vowels. I'm not going to tell you what consecutive means today. Okay. Now it's time for a Money Kind Moment of the Day. Let's get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So the Money Kind Moment of the Day is a shout out to Ms. Hoskin. Make sure you say thank you, thank you, thank you. And to Miss Flaherty, make sure you say thank you, thank you, thank you to them for putting together this wonderful tie-dye day. Make sure, because this was a lot of work for everybody to have a great day. Make sure. And it took a lot of time that she spent during the weekends and after school. Yep. Why? Just so we could have a good day. And so make sure you show that you're an appreciative, mighty kind, mighty mind. And of course, boys and girls, every day is a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.